legend is back. The all-new 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser is here, bringing back the iconic off-road beast with modern technology, rugged styling, and unstoppable performance. Is this the ultimate adventure SUV? Let's find out. Toyota has finally revived one of the most beloved off-road SUVs of all time, the FJ Cruiser. First introduced in 2006 and discontinued in 2014, this rugged machine is making a powerful comeback for 2025 with a fresh new design, cutting-edge tech, and enhanced off-road capabilities. But can it live up to its legendary reputation? Let's dive in. At first glance, the 2025 FJ Cruiser retains its classic boxy design, round headlights and short overhangs. But Toyota has given it a futuristic twist with modern LED lighting, a more aerodynamic body, and tougher skid plates. The signature white roof and rear-mounted spare tire are back, reinforcing its adventure-ready DNA. With 33-inch all-terrain tires, wider fender flares, and increased ground clearance, this SUV is built to dominate any terrain. The front grille features a bold Toyota lettering, paying tribute to its heritage, while the reinforced steel bumpers ensure it's ready for extreme adventures. Step inside, and you'll find the perfect blend of rugged durability and modern comfort. The 2025 FJ Cruiser features a high-tech 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver's display provides real-time off-road data, including pitch, roll, and navigation. Toyota has designed the cabin with adventure in mind. Water-resistant upholstery, all-weather-resistant upholstery, all-weather floor mats, and extra storage compartments make it practical for any journey. Plus, the optional premium package adds leather seats, a JBL sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ Cruiser comes with two powerful options: a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. For those looking for eco-friendly adventure, Toyota is also offering a hybrid variant, a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine combined with an electric motor, delivering 326 horsepower and impressive fuel efficiency. Toyota has upgraded the off-road capabilities with a multi-terrain select system, locking rear differential, and crawl control, a low-speed cruise control for extreme terrain. Whether you're rock crawling, wading through rivers, or tackling sand dunes, the FJ Cruiser has got you covered. Now the big question: how much does it cost? The base model starts at around $45,000, while the fully loaded hybrid variant can go up to $55,000. Toyota is expected to launch the 2025 FJ Cruiser in late 2024, with deliveries starting early 2025. It will be available in North America, the Middle East, Australia, and select European markets. The 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser is everything off-road enthusiasts have been waiting for: classic design, modern tech, and unmatched capability. Whether you're an adventurer, overlander, or weekend explorer, this SUV is built for you. But what do you think? Will the FJ Cruiser reclaim its throne as the king of off-road SUVs? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to AutoWorld for more car updates so you never miss out on the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride.